Here's another trending Hollywood couple that never fails to amuse us. Colson Baker, known as Machine Gun Kelly, recently proposed to the love of his life, Megan Fox. Together they have a massive net worth of $18 million. We wonder, what expensive luxuries have they bought over time, and what their millionaire lifestyle looks like? Let's find out. Megan's former home on Toluca Lake is stunning. It has a library with an electric skylight and a sound system that can be used throughout the property, including outside. There are his and her baths in this master bedroom, as well as 2 spacious walk-in closets. Megan Fox and MGK's millionaire lifestyle is what many people and celebrities dream to have. Later in this video, we are going to discuss why. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to give you some crazy details about the millionaire lifestyle of Megan Fox and Machine Gun Kelly. So, make sure to watch the video till the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. The 2 stars shared a spark, and it was only a matter of time before that spark turned into a burning flame. The lovebirds have been making appearances together ever since the pandemic break, and in the most exclusive and extravagant ways possible. They appeared at an event wearing each other's vials of blood chained to their necks. Whoa! Now, that's a real connection, and something that had never been done before. Some people thought of it as a unique gesture and found it truly appealing. Imagine people casually wearing each other's blood. If that isn't weird enough, they also revealed that they drank each other's blood on their proposal day. MGK has been spotted in various cars from his expensive car collection, and he also spent over $200,000 on an Aston Martin Vantage. MGK has nearly 50 tattoos on his body. He spent thousands of dollars to get all of them. On the other hand, Megan owns some of the most luxurious cars from around the world, including an BMW 353D, which costs $54,000, a Mercedes-Benz CLS 55 worth $86,000, and a Mercedes G55, which cost around $131,000. Megan and MGK have taken up residence in their new love nest that cost them $30,000 a month to rent. This 5,300 square foot home includes a pool, spa, basketball court, open deck, and a terrace from the main suite of the residence, as well as a 2-car garage, a 26-foot foyer, and a chef's kitchen. The master suite has its own terrace with views of the backyard, including a patio, lawn, basketball half-court, and swimming pool. Now that seems like a dream home. Everything is new, modern, and renovated because it was built in April of 21. What other luxurious purchases did they make? Well, don't worry, that is next on our list. So make sure you watch until the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. Megan owns many mansions, including a Mediterranean-style villa with approximately 5,000 square feet of living area. She converted it from a dull, uninviting place into a vibrant, welcoming one. The main floor of the residence had a big living room with a fireplace and family room with ceiling-high French doors, giving up to expansive covered balconies. The interiors had hand-distressed wood floors and reconditioned antique lighting. A media and gaming area is also available, as well as a chef's kitchen with marble countertops. Megan's former master suite included a walk-in closet, a private terrace, and a highlight bathroom with a soaking tub and a windowed closet. With the bursts of Spanish tile and more eccentric touches, it received updated technology to include a projection screen, a sound system, and video camera surveillance outside the exquisite property for added privacy. Going on expensive vacations is what both of them love to do most of the time, as they have been spotted enjoying their holidays in lavish places. Megan Fox and MGK's love seems very genuine. They look so cute together, and we wish them a happily ever after. And that's all for today, guys. What do you think about the millionaire lifestyle of Megan Fox and MGK? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned, and don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.